हाय फ्रेंड्स। और आज मैं आपके लिए लेके आया हूँ एक ऐसी वेब सीरीज का रिव्यू जिसके बारे में जान के आपको बहुत ही मज़ा आएगा। और मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ जब आप पूरा देखोगे रिव्यू लास्ट तक तो आई एम 100% श्योर कि आप ये वेब सीरीज देखने को मजबूर हो जाओगे। आई थिंक सो एंड आई बिलीव यू, आई मेक यू बिलीव यू विल डेफिनेटली will try to watch this web series. So the web series is Hindustan Jaanbaaz के and it has been directed by amazing filmmaker that is Srijit Mukherjee, and it has released around I think 1 year back in January 23 that time. So अभी मैं काफ़ी लेट से रिव्यू बना रहा हूँ because I was not aware with the movie. बट जैसे ही मैंने 1 वीक इस वेब सीरीज को देखा आई वॉज इन कंप्लीट डिलेमा। आई नेवर एक्सपेक्ट दैट आई गॉट दिस काइंड ऑफ फ्लेवर फ्रॉम दिस वेब सीरीज। तो चलिए बात करते हैं थोड़ी सी और इस वेब सीरीज के बारे में। तो बेसिकली ये जो वेब सीरीज है इट कवर द इंटायर इंडिया। इट स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम द नॉर्थ एंड साउथ एंड एवरी एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ इंडियन टेरिटरी। सो दिस इज कंप्लीटली कॉप एक्शन ड्रामा थ्रिलर बेस्ड वेब सीरीज। एंड जो मूवी का प्लॉट है बेसिकली देयर हैज बीन ISI bomb attack and there has been some investigations that has been under the IPS officer and then further it goes to the NIA, that is National Investigation Agency, and how that has been takes place in the entire web series is something I was really not expecting. So you have to watch it, this web series, and it is easily available on G5 OTT and you can really enjoy that. So basically जो मुझे सबसे अच्छा लगा इस वेब सीरीज का कि आप शायद सवाल होगा कि that's fine, I mean there has been some bomb attack, we have seen so many stories about that. So इसमें नया क्या है, what is something new thing and what is some different flavor to this web series. तो नया ये क्या है, तो नया ये है मीन्स कि ड्रोन का कंसेप्ट है। मीन्स देयर हैज बीन अटैक बट दैट अटैक हैज बीन डन थ्रू ड्रोन्स। सो बेसिकली देयर इज अ वेरी ड्रोन व्हिच कैरी सम काइंड ऑफ RDX टू अटैक ऑन सम रैली ऑन सम पॉलिटिकल places just to get attention by the ISI. So that is the plot and basically the main lead character, that is Regina Cassandra, who play a role of IPS officer who led the case, and then the case took place from his finger and it went to the NIA, and then further she take part the role of NIA as a role to investigate the case further and further. So it's amazing, and there has been some scene in the series that really I like about. The main thing is that she's a mother and she's a wife, and she perfectly balanced the marriage life and the professional life. There of course there has been some fights between normal husband and wife, but the way she portrays the character is something I really gives a plot to her role, her character, her performance. And next I really love to Sumit Vyas because he has defined the new meaning of villains. If you see the series or prehistoric like आज से 10 साल पहले या 5 साल पहले जब भी आप किसी ऐसे शो को देखते हो या कोई ऐसी मूवीज को देखते हो जहां पे विलेन जो होता है बिल्कुल लाइक अ वेरी हॉरर साउंड लुक, हिज साउंड, हिज अटायर, हिज वे ऑफ स्पीकिंग, ऑल इज लाइक अ वेरी स्केरी। सो एक इमेज, एक डिफिनेशन था। तो जो एक डिफिनेशन है विलेन का दैट हैज बीन चेंज, दैट हैज बीन डिफाइंड एंड फिल्टर्ड बाय द सुमित व्यास, एंड द वे ही पोर्ट्रे द कैरेक्टर and do his performance is something worth to watch it. Believe me man, it is really amazing. I mean to watch him play a role of villain is something out of the box. So he has defined a new definition of villains. And next Chandan Roy, he definitely keep the momentum same and next that Meera Vasist, she is in charge of NIA, and how she communicate with different officers and different people with different dialect is something is very captivated. You really love to watch her performance. So basically it integrate the complete Indian narratory, and it has been shoot around in different cities, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mumbai, Maharashtra, and Jaisalmer, and Guwahati. So it covered the entire city of India. And जब मैं when I was watching the series, I just thought that it could be a normal web series as I am watching some other web series, but it's something different. All we can see that there has been bomb attack and there has been investigations, but the process hai, means there has been some layer which connect the two things in a such a beautiful way you cannot expect. तो पूरा का पूरा जो concept है, that has been a drone attack on different sites, different political rallies, and then the process of investigation is so amazing, so challenging. When you watch it, you can't believe it that is such kind of work has been done in this web series, and I really like it. Maybe I mean I'm not sure, I'm not saying that जो मैं फील कर रहा हूँ वही आप भी फील करो इस वेब सीरीज को लेके, बट जब देखोगे इट रियली मेक यू एंगेज. द मेन थिंग इज दैट एंगेजिंग. सो इसमें टोटल 10 एपिसोड है, एंड इंटायर एपिसोड इज ट्रूली एंगेजिंग. यू विल लव इट. सो एंड और भी काफी अच्छे इंटरेस्टिंग शॉट्स हैं उसमें जो मुझे काफी मेरे को अच्छे लगे. एंड the main thing about the director is that Srijit Mukherjee, I think he's from Bengal, and he's amazing director. क्योंकि जो सबसे मुझे अच्छा लगा फिल्म का कि like Regina is from South, Chandan Roy is from like North, Sumit Vyas is from different places, so it connect different people, different industry to a single thread, to a single flavor, and everybody is directing his own accent. Like Chandan Roy is directing his own Hindi language, typical Bihari Hindi language. Regina is somehow sometimes he switch between Hindi and somewhere Telugu. So it's a very great flavor to watch it, and I will recommend, if you really want to enjoy some action thriller cop like that, you must give this web series a chance to watch, and mark my words, you really enjoy it throughout the episode and you will love it. So thank you for listening me for this web series review, and all the best and have a good day.